Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have today very good hiring from Wipro, Accenture, and Infosys. So all the top three companies now they have started their hiring. So the first hiring is from Wipro. So I will tell you the eligibility criteria. That means percentage criteria and the year of pass out eligible, so that you do not waste your time watching the complete video. Okay, now so Wipro start hiring. So eligibility criteria, if we'll talk about, then 60% in 10th and 12th, 6 CGPA or 60% in graduation, and year of passing will be 2022, and 3 years of gap is allowed. BE BTech compulsory degree or 5 years of integrated courses, and you will be able to get a package of 10 lakhs plus 1 lakh retention bonus. Okay, and from here you will be able to apply. So this is all about Wipro. I will talk about their exam pattern, evaluation process. Okay, but before that, I wanted to tell you the eligibility criteria for each and everything. Then associate software engineer in Accenture, ASC. The salary is not hidden, so 4.5 will be Accenture pays. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria, then what they have mentioned here, I will tell you. So all stream branches of BE BTech, MEM Tech, MCA, and MSc CSIT only for 2022 years of pass out with full-time education only. Okay, part-time and distance educations are not allowed. MBA is not allowed. Okay, I wanted to tell you here. So for BE BTech, any branch, mechanical, civil, electrical, any branch is applicable. Okay, but if we'll talk about here MSc, then only CS and IT will be eligible for that. And Accenture also, their criteria is I think 60%. So you can check it once. But Accenture also having, they have not mentioned here, but what I feel is they have a criteria of 60%. Now, then next we have this Infosys process executive. So this is a BPO role. They need only good communication. Okay, they need BSc, BE, BTech graduates who has the understanding of SQL. SQL is the most powerful database management system, and flexible to night shift, immediate joiners. Okay, and they have mentioned work experience is 0 years. So I think any batch student will be able to apply. So do apply. I mean, if you're 19, 20, 21, 22 pass out, you apply. See, they just want the work experience should be zero, but they have not mentioned who are the eligible batches, so you will be able to apply. Now friends, but if you wanted to get into some good company with the average package of 6 to 15 LPA, then you must and should do a full stack development career program for 6 months. Okay, so many of the students were asking, sir, what courses are most demanding courses? I mean, where each company, see, many the things what matters is, so many times you learn some skill, but on that particular skill like networking, only few companies work. But full stack development, every company work, because every company has their front end and the development. So this full stack development career program for 6 months by Skill Academy. Okay, and the link is given in description. You just need to click on the link. So what you will be getting in this course, so 5+ industry level projects. So doing the hands-on experience is very, very important. Lifetime access, average salary of 6 to 15 LPA, and mentor support. Okay, and there'll be internship. Internship is very, very important. There'll be certificates which you can put in your resume, and also during the interview, and placement assistance will be there. What will you be learning in these courses? So HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, JIT, MongoDB, MySQL, and then React, Node.js, OOPS concepts, data structure, and algorithm. Okay, now they have given the complete plan. There is a structured plan is there. So once again, I'm telling you, so the link has been given in description. Please click on that and just go through that. If you feel this full stack development course, you should do, because you also know, see, without front end, so whatever website right now I'm opening, it is front end, right? And back end is also there. So without front end and back end, we will not be able to do anything, right? Okay, so that is the reason this is the most demanding course as of now. And another 10 years, this courses will be, I mean, this technology will be only in force. Okay, now, so they have given the complete plan, like what they will be teaching, like introduction to HTML, HTML nodes, HTML practice. Okay, and here also you can see previous session, understanding the basic, build static LinkedIn profile, website creation, quiz app building. Okay, build Quora clone, build Airbnb clone, object oriented programming concept, capstone project, data structure and algorithm, job preparation, and internship. Okay, so they will be also giving you the placement assistance, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, and now, so friends, how to enroll for these courses? But before that, I wanted to tell you something. If you enroll it today, I mean, there is an offer today going on for the 15th of August. Okay, so all Skill Academy career programs, it's not only for this full stack development, but for all the courses, there is a offer going on. So 35% discount plus 20% discount if you use the code online 20, right? And you will be able to win a Hyundai Centro car. Okay, so one lucky winner will be able to win Hyundai Centro car, and every 1 hour you will be getting a chance to win a smartphone. So win a smartphone every hour, and this I mean, this offer is available only today. So the smartphone will be Samsung, Redmi, Oppo, iQOO. Okay, so these are the smartphone you will be able to get it now. So what you have to do, you just need to click on enroll, and then you can see here. So the price will be 32,500, and if you apply the coupon, okay, if you apply the coupon online 20, so when you'll apply the coupon, then you will be able to see the the price will be 29,250. Okay, so offer applied, you are saving this much of amount. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity. If you really want to do something in your career, then go for it. Okay, now, so friends, I will just tell you about how to enroll, how to apply for Wipro, Accenture, and Infosys. Okay, so here you can see for the Wipro, star hiring is a premier hiring, and that is the reason they're giving you a package of 10 to 11 lakhs. Okay, now, so you can just read this. So evaluation process is, first you will do registration, then assessment will be there, then business discussion means interview will be there, and then they will be sending you letter of intent, and after that final offer letter you will be getting it. Okay, now service agreement, so there is no service agreement is there. So you will be able to register from this. Okay, this will happen through the superset. So all the hiring which happens through the superset is the actual hiring, and all these are listed on their website. Now Accenture, so Accenture, if you'll see, apply now, last date to apply, they have not mentioned it. So they are hiring it, and his hiring is open from the quite long time. So if you do not have account, then create it. If you have account, then enroll it. Now, Infosys. So Infosys also, so this is again on their website. So you will be able to apply from here. So if you have any email ID, then log in with that. Otherwise, you log in with your, either you register if you're a new user, or register with Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, and all the link for the jobs is given in description. And if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe, because we are uploading a lot of important videos, we are doing a lot of activities for you. So I would like all of you to subscribe and click on bell icon. And thank you, and hope this hiring videos you find it useful.